Hidden costs. That's a way of saying cheap repairs will cost more than you think. Now, we wanted that as a title, but it was too long and we wanted something catchy. Now, you can always find a cheaper handyman to do stuff, but are they going to do the right job? Now, here is a prime example of why this became a hidden cost. I was asked to do a market valuation for a client who had this rental property that was becoming too much of a headache to manage long distance. Now, they had a management company to deal with things, but it just wasn't working out the way that they wanted. So when the tenant moved out, they called on us to sell. So I go to view, and the entry in the living room, they are dated, but that's okay if that was all, but there's more. I go into the kitchen. Now it's original, it's old, it's looking worse for wear. Looking up at the ceiling, there are lots of stains, etc. And even it's still not the worst thing, but I've done lots of renovations over the years, and I think there's something more. And so my spidey senses are tingling, and then I suddenly see it. On the wall, on the back wall, there's moisture trapped behind that's trying to come out, and the paint is peeling. So now I know exactly what's going on. So going upstairs, I see the bathroom, and it is totally gross. Words do not describe. There are actual holes in the tub surround, and somebody put duct tape over top of the joints as if that's going to do anything, and there's mold growing behind it. So I go follow up with the seller, and I give them my valuation to sell as is in its current dilapidated condition. They get upset. Not at my valuation, but they get upset because they paid $250 to the property manager for somebody to go and put that duct tape over top of those joints. Can you blame them? Of course they get upset. So if they were to sell as is, they would actually lose money. Not only would we have to list lower just based on the condition, someone would put in a lowball offer regardless, even in a strong market. And on top of that, if somebody puts an offer subject to inspection, the home inspector will find the leak, and that could collapse a deal, and the seller definitely doesn't want that. So fortunately, we know a good contractor who does lots of renovations for our clients when they want to sell. He provided a quote, and so I did a new valuation based on a full renovation. They liked that valuation. The numbers made sense, and so they decided to go ahead with a full renovation, and this is the result.
Hi, it's Selena Zhang, and let's talk some numbers. Interior painting is a great way to add value to your home. It usually brings you more in return. When our clients come to us asking to sell their home quickly and for a good price, we recommend hiring a professional painter to do the work. They are helping you to choose the right color that flow with the rest of the home, and they also take care of the trims, baseboards, windows, doors, railings. Here are some real numbers. The townhouse is around 1,200 square foot, costs about $4,500 to paint. That including everything, which comes to $3.75 per square feet. Repainting the ceiling costs $2,500, and installing the pot lights around $250 each. Now, renovation can add up quickly, so it is important to have a budget before you start. The full renovations, including full kitchen, quartz countertops, new appliances, new bathrooms, new vinyl plank floorings, carpets, and the list goes on and on. Even though it costs about $40,000, which sounds like a lot, and it is, the number made sense because the renovate value was significantly higher, so the seller made money on the renovations and the buyers get a better home, so win-win. The success of these renovations are well planned from beginning. The cost being controlled at exactly to the budget that contractor provide and is finishing on time. Thank you for watching this video.
We hope you liked the video, and for more videos like this, like, subscribe, leave a comment below, tell us what you want to see on the next one, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.
See you.